Hello everyone. Welcome back to Mechanical CAD Academy. In this tutorial, we'll create Symmetrical Cylinder 2 in CATIA V5 using simple sketching and first, create a new part and open the Sketcher workbench. Select the required sketch plane. Next, click the Circle tool from the Sketch toolbar. Click once to define the center point. Then move the cursor and click again to create the circle. Now use the Constraint tool to add the required diameter or radius dimension. Make sure the sketch is fully constrained before continuing with any 3D feature. Exit the sketch and click the Pad command in the Part Design workbench. Enter the required pad length to convert the 2D sketch into a 3D solid. You can also use the Mirrored Extend option to create the feature equally on both sides of the sketch plane. Click OK to complete the pad feature.